Okay, gonna try this. Show everybody how I quickly go from taking a test from D2L, or excuse me, from Testgen, and convert it into something I can use on D2L. I'm just gonna grab this old test, and it's gonna come up, and it might look familiar to you folks because, like me, it was a paper test, and I went up to File, and I want to change it to a test for the web, and I want to make it a desire to learn test, and hit OK. And I'm going to give it a new I'm going to locate it in my same folder instead of the default for Testgen. I'm going to go over to the spot where I can save it, and I'm going to make a little note and call this my online test, and I'm going to save it. And you see how it converts it. I'm now going to take it and export it into desire to learn. And it's going to save it in the same place. So if I now go back up to test, which is where I saved it, you're going to see tests 3 and 4 is what I just created. It's actually this one and this one, but this is the one that I'm going to use, this compressed video. So let me get out of here. I'm going to go back to D2L. Now I'm in the class I want to be in, so I'm going to go to Edit Course. And what I have to do is import or copy components. I'm going down to Import Components. I want to upload. I'm going to go to Computer Science, 121 test, and you'll see the one that I just made. When I did the export, it made it test 3, 4 online. It made it a zip file. So that's the one that I'm going to open, and I'm going to import all components. It's going to do a quick conversion. And after it converts it, it'll download it and save it right into quizzes. To view content, I'm going to come up here to quizzes, and we shall see one right here. It is test 3, 4 online. It already put it in with the rest of my quizzes. Now I can go in, and here are all the questions that were in Testgen. One of the things I do right away is I go in, and the default was 1 point, so I can quickly go through by hand and change them all to 2 points. I can add questions if I want, add or edit questions. And you'll see I can add a new question, and there's a lot of different types of questions. And the test I'm making up tomorrow, I have to do some matching. I'm going to do some fill in the blanks and so forth. Once I have that done, I go over to restrictions and make sure it's hidden. I set availability, and I give it a password. So all my finals have passwords. Once that's done, I go to assessment, and I give it a new grade item so I can see what it's called in my grade book. You see right now it's out of 32 points, but when I create a grade item, I can make it out of whatever I want, and it'll do an automatic conversion of it. So that's all I have. Let me know if you have questions, and hope you like it.